Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel once again. If you are an egusi soup lover, gather here, let's make egusi soup together, and don't forget to share this video. So to make this egusi soup, I'll be using 2 kg of boneless clean beef. You can also use chicken as well. So I'll pour it into my cooking pot, then add my sliced onion, add salt to taste, add the rosemary, this is optional, then I'll add the black pepper powder, curry powder, chicken stock cube. You can also use beef stock cube as well. For curry powder, it is optional, so I'm going to give it a quick stir, then I'll cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 10 minutes later, I will add water to my meat, then cover and let it cook for another 10 minutes before adding my stock fish. So now I'll be adding the stock fish, and after that I'll cook until it becomes tender. So after cooking your beef, use a strainer to separate the beef from the meat stock. Then after that, pour the meat stock into a bowl and set it aside. So next I'm going to go ahead to blend the egusi. Make sure you clean your egusi well to remove stones and dirt from the egusi before you start blending. After blending, pour the egusi into a mixing bowl, then add some water. Use a wooden spatula to mix the egusi. While mixing the egusi to form a paste, add the blended fresh onion paste and also stock cube, then continue mixing. If you want to get this Nigerian party egusi taste, mix your egusi this way. After mixing the egusi, then set it aside. Place your cooking pot on the heat, pour in your red palm oil into your cooking pot, allow it to heat up for about a minute, and make sure you do not allow the oil to bleach. Then after that, add in the egusi paste. Stir the egusi continuously with your spatula while you fry on a low heat to prevent it from burning. Once your egusi starts to form crumbs, go ahead and pour in the meat stock. You can also add extra water if your meat stock is not enough. Then give it a quick stir, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, add in your well-cooked cow skin, blended crayfish and ogbenye. Add in your pepper mixture, your stock cube as well, and after that, stir it to prevent it from burning. Next, I'm going to go ahead to add in my well-cleaned dried fish. So next I will add in the dried meat. I actually dried this meat with my air fryer, and I'll give it a quick stir to prevent it from burning. After that, I will add in my well cleaned bitter leaf. Then I'm going to give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover the pot and let it cook on a low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. So 5 minutes later, turn off the heat, give the egusi soup a quick stir, and your egusi soup is ready. Then go ahead and serve and enjoy your egusi soup with any swallow of your choice. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also like and share this video. Bye.